Web and computer services has never been easier. If you have got no website for your business, believe it or not, your business is in danger. How would you introduce your business and portfolio online? Well, first, we will get your business a marvelous website name.com. Second, we will have a meeting to get to know more about your business. Then, finally, your business will be online in a blink. And now, at the time you will see how your business is growing online, and what you see, by the way, in the photo is not just an advertisement, these are actual results. And here are some of our beloved customers. They can tell you how amazing we are in our field. With Abdutech, you are in safe hands. What are you waiting for? Contact us over mail or call us right now. Thank you for your time.